Hello, and welcome to the MM3 CMS tutorial. We will be going over the core features under the mall category, which are applicable to all of our CMSs no matter the plan that you have. In this feature, we will review the store module. So let's get started. To locate the store module, you would select Mall and then Stores. So here is the store information page. On the top right, you can create a new store. You can also review the current categories that you have. Here, you can actually type in the name of that category and then select New Category. This right away will go ahead and create a category for you. You can also remove the category on the far right by selecting the X icon. Here, you also have a chance to view your stores pinned on your current map. The gear icon allows you to export stores, so you can download a CSV of your current stores, and you can also import a CSV of your current stores. You can also copy stores from another property. You can also import store logos from Mall Maverick 1 if you are one of our legacy clients. And you can permanently delete all of your stores. Here, we do have our status filter. This will allow you to review stores based on the status. So if they are active, draft, inactive, deleted, or under development. You can also view stores if they are expired or future dated. And also, you can view the stores based on their category that they are attached to. Next to our status bar, we do have the search bar. Here you can search for stores once you enter their name. And then on the far right, you can actually filter your stores based on name from A to Z or from Z to A, date created, and date updated. You can also limit the amount of stores that you can see at once. Underneath our filter options, you can also select one of our new features, multi-select. Once you select the first store, the multi-select menu bar appears on the bottom of the screen. You can select cancel if you no longer want to select any stores. You can select all, and this will select all stores at once. And once you select the green select button, this actually allows you to do a bulk update where you can copy these stores to other properties in your portfolio, or you can do a bulk update on the store statuses. And lastly, you can delete all stores at once. Next to our multi-select option, we do have the option for categories. Once you select categories, it will show the categories underneath the store's name. When you select dates, it will show you the last date it was updated and the date it was created. And when you select tags, it will show the tags that are attached to that store. Let's look at editing a store. Once you select the Edit Store button, a pop-up appears. Here, you can update the store's name, the website URL, the categories that are attached to the store. You can update the description. We do have a new feature here, which is AI Writer by Cohere. You can type in your question or idea, and AI Writer by Cohere will create a description for the store where you can copy and paste it into your description. Just to test it, description about a pea in the pod. Once I go ahead and select this arrow, here it provides me a paragraph that I can go ahead and copy right into the description. Of course, AI responses may not be accurate, so please review these paragraphs before saving your updates. And of course, once you are done, you will just go ahead and select AI Writer by Cohere, and it will remove the AI functionality. On the right of the screen, you can add a logo image, and underneath the logo image, you can add a brand image. Here at the bottom of the description box, you can then create a new social media link. And of course, once you are done, you can select Update Store. Let's look at how to create a new store. Once you select New Store, here you can add a store manually. You can actually search the Mall Maverick database for a store, or you can upload a store list CSV. And for this example, we're going to select Add Store Manually. Here on the Store Info tab, again, we will write the store name, website URL. We can select the categories that are attached to the store. On the right, again, we can add our logo image. And underneath the logo image, we can then add our brand image. Again, we have our description box. And of course, AI by Writer by Cohere is here to use and utilize. Underneath the description box, you can say new social media link. And once you are done, you can then go ahead and select Create Store. Some other options that you have on this page. Once you select Location Info, here you can enter the phone number for that store, the location type, any store recommendations, so stores that are similar to the current store that you are entering, the unit number for the store, when it opens, and when you would like the store to come down or to be removed from the site. Here you have flags for your store. So if the store is new, relocated, temporarily closed, if it's a restaurant, coming soon, or if it is an exterior store. Here is where you can also add your tags for the store. On this bottom half of the screen, you can actually enter the location and parking, products and policy, and then additional boxes, of course, for their amenities, return policies, and payment methods. The next tab that you also have access to is store hours. So right away, store hours are inherited directly from the mall's hours. If your store does have unique hours, all you would need to do is deselect same as mall hours. Here you can then go ahead and select hours. Once you select hours, you will then have a chance to go ahead and modify your hours. Or you can select freeform text. Freeform text will allow you to go ahead and enter the hours manually. Of course, once you've added these additional features, you can then go ahead and select Create Store. Let's go back to our main page. So let's review what we accomplished in this feature. So you are now able to locate stores. You are also able to now create new stores. And you also know where you can make edits to your store. And you have also been introduced to our new features such as multi-select and AI by Cohere. If you do have any additional questions, please connect with us by using the blue support button on the bottom right of the screen. See you in the next tutorial.